At TestMu Conference 2026, we're not just decoding the future of testing, we're hosting the world's largest virtual agentic engineering and quality conference.
To me, TestMu Conference is where the conversation finally moves past how to build with AI and into how to ship with AI that you can actually trust.
It's where I've watched engineers walk in running 3 AI agents in parallel and walk out knowing how to verify every one of them.
It's the one place every year where engineers stop working in silos and start shipping AI-built code.
It's the one place where every year developers and QA stop arguing over who owns quality when an agent wrote the code and start figuring it out together.
For me, TestMu Conference is where you learn the difference between shipping AI fast and shipping AI that actually works.
TestMu Conference is 3 days of real playbooks, how teams at Amazon, Netlify and Replit are making agentic workflows actually efficient.
To me, it's where agentic AI stops being a demo and becomes the workflow running your pipeline on Monday morning.
For me, it's the network. 75,000 engineers, 120 countries, the people literally shaping the future of engineering in the same room with you, answering your questions directly.
TestMu Conference is where the future of software gets written, with hackathons, live challenges and $15,000 in prizes backing the work.
For me, TestMu Conference is the only place where world-class speakers, hands-on workshops and a global community come together, all for free.
For me, TestMu Conference is where the decisions that shape the next decade of testing get made out loud, in public, with the whole community.
This is where Agentic era builds with quality.
This
is TestMu Conference 2026.
I have registered for the TestMu Conference. Have you?